This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here at 2:30 about 5 minutes ago. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, this is the very key level, sitting at 79.90. Your price is hanging right around 80 bucks, so you're just right at it. You can see where it spiked up, but it isn't really a good solid closing above. Okay, so now if it does get above, then what you want to do is always look at today's high. So you're sitting at $80.60, and then basically we just take the line and go right to the left of the chart here. So you want to look here at this candle here. So you're looking at 81.24. We look at here at 81.52. We look at the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 81.76. Then we have 82.71. We have 83.12. You have 83.44. And then your big resistance is 83.53. So on candlesticks, you always want to look at the closing number and the highs and lows of that day. That is going to be your support and resistance. Very simple, easy way to trade. Okay, now, if it can't do, then what we're going to do is look to today's low. Okay, today's low was 78.87. Then we look to yesterday's low. You're looking at 78.55. And then we have here, you have 78.29. And then we look at this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 75.59. And then your 200-day sitting at 77.01. Those are your key levels here, especially all your simple moving averages. Now, if you look at this, your 21 is now nice above your 50, above your 100, and headed towards the 200. Now, your 8 is crossed all the way above all of those. That's a very bullish sign. So any pullback here to this 8 SMA, that's your buying opportunity as long as it holds the 8-day and the 200-day. If it comes down and holds those levels, that's your buying opportunity to take it right back on up here again. Now remember, OPEC meeting is August 4th. You want to be long into that meeting. I've been long from here, this level right here, and then I am all the way on up, scalping this thing all the way on up here daily for cash flow. All right, let's take a look here at your weekly and your monthly chart. Okay, we look at a monthly, very nice. You're above this key support level here, sitting at 75.82. Needs to hold that 8 SMA here on a monthly time frame. Very nice. Next level would be 72.82, your 200-day, and then you can come all the way down to this 50-day, sitting at 66.61. But right now, she looks very bullish, so then what you want to do is look to the top of this candle here. That's 83.53, and then to get above, you want to go is 85.39. Which lines up very nicely here with your 100 SMA here, sitting at 85.23. Now, here on your weekly chart here, you want to look at this 50 SMA. That needs to hold. That's your key support at 78.59. Then you can have a nice rally right up here towards that 83.53. That would be your target on the upside. Now, when we look here on your downside here, if it loses this 50-day, look at this 21-day. See, sitting at 73.88, and right below it is you have 73.45. Now, if this thing crosses above, that's very bullish, and that will take this price right to that where we want it at 83.53. And then if you can get above, your target is going to be 85.23, which lines up just nicely with this 85.39, your 21-day here on your monthly chart. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natural gas here, your hourly chart. If you watched my video this morning, you'll notice what I pointed out. Lower highs, okay? Never good, and then boom, all the way down here to your 2.55 level. All right, so here, same thing here on your 4-hour chart, and then you got a nice series which you can see very clearly of even see all those lower highs. Not good. Okay, so now your big resistance here is going to be this 200 SMA sitting at 2.62. That's going to be your resistance levels here. Now here on your hourly chart here, you want to watch this 8 SMA sitting at 2.6. So if you can get above, you got 2.64, and then your target there is going to be 2.66, and then 2.67 is your 50-day, and then you have your retest there sitting at 2.69. But right now, I just don't see a whole lot of anything going on here on the natural gas. Now, again, I did scalp a little bit of cold, K-O-L-D. Today I got 3 points. That's not too bad. But them are daily trades for me, in, out there. Just nothing here to say I'm going to buy long and stay long, or I'm going to buy short and I'm going to stay short. Just daily trades, scalp it, put the money in your pocket, and move on. All right, let's take a look here on the old daily. Okay, daily chart. Wow, you're talking about just an absolute nothing burger going on over here, okay? The only thing you can say about it is the top is holding at 2.87 and your bottom price channel is layering up at 2.48. Other than that, it's just sideways action and looking really ugly today, okay? So now you're below this key 8 SMA there, sitting at 2.67, and you're below your 2.65, your 21 SMA. Those will be your resistant levels. Now we'll be looking here, okay, 2.51. That is your 50-day, and then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.39. So this is looking really not very good. If you can get back above your 8 and your 21 SMA here, then you want to look to these candles right here. So you got basically 2.73, and then we have 2.76. You got 2.78. You got 2.79, 2.82, and then your big retest there is 2.87. But just sideways, absolute snooze city for action here. I should say just scalped a little bit there today on the coal, but there's just really nothing there to say I'm really going to get all enticed with this. Crude oil right now is a way better trade here, and it should be long going into this OPEC meeting. All right, I will have more for you tomorrow before 8 o'clock here on the crude oil and the natural gas, and all the support and resistance levels will be posted here at the end of this video.